The universe is an endless expanse of stars, planets, and galaxies, with secrets and mysteries that scientists have been trying to unravel for centuries. One of the most fascinating questions they face is whether the universe itself possesses some form of consciousness. To answer this question, scientists have turned to neuroscience, physics, and philosophy to understand the fundamental nature of consciousness and how it emerges. Recent studies in neuroscience have revealed that consciousness arises from complex interactions between brain cells and neural networks. However, this conventional view of consciousness has been challenged by some experts in quantum physics and philosophy, who propose an alternative theory known as panpsychism. Panpsychism is the idea that everything in the universe has some level of consciousness, from subatomic particles to complex organisms like humans. According to this view, consciousness is not limited to living beings, but is instead a universal and pervasive feature of the cosmos. The theory of panpsychism draws inspiration from the bizarre behavior of particles at the subatomic level, as revealed by quantum physics. These particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, a phenomenon known as superposition. This suggests that particles may possess some form of consciousness, which collapses the wave function when observed. Another line of evidence comes from studies in neuroscience, which have revealed that the brain is not the sole source of consciousness. Recent studies have shown that the gut microbiome, for example, can influence mood and behavior, and may even play a role in consciousness. This suggests that consciousness is not simply a product of the brain, but is instead an emergent property of complex systems. Furthermore, some researchers point to the observation that the laws of physics and mathematics appear to be universal and immutable, suggesting that they may be fundamental aspects of the universe. If this is the case, then it is plausible to consider that consciousness could also be a fundamental feature of the universe. In addition, the theory of panpsychism offers a way to address the hard problem of consciousness, which is the problem of explaining how subjective experience arises from the physical processes of the brain. According to panpsychism, consciousness is not simply an emergent property of the brain, but is instead a fundamental property of the universe, which can explain the enigmatic nature of subjective experience. While the evidence for panpsychism remains largely speculative, it offers a radical and thought-provoking perspective on the nature of consciousness and the universe. As research in quantum physics, neuroscience, and philosophy continues to advance, it may one day provide us with a better understanding of the fundamental nature of the cosmos and the mysteries of consciousness. Recent experiments in quantum physics have shown that even large-scale objects, such as microscopic diamonds, can exist in two places at once. This raises the question of whether macroscopic objects also possess some form of consciousness. Some scientists propose that consciousness may be a fundamental aspect of the universe, like space and time, and could be related to the properties of dark matter and dark energy, which together make up 95% of the universe. While the theory of panpsychism is controversial and lacks direct empirical evidence, it offers a fascinating and radical new perspective on the nature of consciousness and the universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos and delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, we may one day unlock the secrets of consciousness and discover whether the universe itself is conscious. Until then, the theory of panpsychism and its relationship to quantum physics will continue to inspire scientists and philosophers to probe the mysteries of the universe and the nature of consciousness.